friends, video today on PONKE requested by a viewer of the channel. So before we jump in, and let's just go over the disclaimer. Okay, so we're gonna go over PONKE. We're gonna go over CoinMarketCap. We're gonna go Twitter. We're gonna check their website, and also we're gonna look at the charts and see what's the potential of them. And later, we're gonna, at the end of the video, we're gonna do some technical analysis as well, and we're going to compare PONKE to BONK using the market cap of to see what were the prices, how many X's we can get on PONKE if PONKE gets BONK market cap today, and also all-time high. So let's jump into the chart. But before we jump into the chart, guys, make sure to hockey bubble the like button and subscribe to help the channel. All right. Okay, so let's go over here to CoinMarketCap. In CoinMarketCap, you can see BONK is trading at 0.16 cents right now, and it did at an all-time high of 19 cents. Okay. At CoinMarketCap, we have a market cap of 69,549,000. That's with the current supply that it's available on the market. But the max supply had a fully diluted market cap of 89 million. All right. PONKE is listed on a lot of centralized exchanges and also listed on some DEXs. As you can see here, they got pretty nice high volume on everything. So anywhere you go, you're pretty much safe to trade. CoinMarketCap also have their website here, Twitter, Telegram, and the contract address. I already clicked it on, already opened all those pages so we can go over. So here on Twitter, pretty much a good amount of followers, and there's some they're interesting followers. We have Virtual Bacon following, so we got some big names on YouTube and the crypto following them. Crash, Crypto Banter, Your Pop, Mason, Austin Hilton, Daventi, Zach. So there's a lot of people following, so that means that it has some credibility already. All right, and we can go to their website. The website is pretty simple. It's not anything special, but it has all the information you need. It's centralized exchanges where it's listed. They have this put on a helmet for the army if you want to join the army, and then you want to put a helmet on you in your picture. So you click it over here and you go to add image, get one of your images, click it on the helmet. And the only thing I wish it was a little bigger space so we can put on, but we can put a helmet on and be part of the army. You can save the image over here. I have to come back to here. Tokenomics. PONKE made of 555 million tokens. Total supply, token address, socials, and if you want to buy it, you just click here and you're going to be redirected to Radium, where you can just swap Solana for PONKE. You connect your wallet and then choose how much you want to do it. Okay, so if we go to DEX screen here now, we have 2.7 million liquidity locked. It has all the transactions here on the DEX screen here, all the buys and the sells that are happening right now. One thing that I was looking at that got me into is if you come to holders, it's 40,407 holders, which is the same amount that the Sol Scan has, 40,414. And a little short difference, but when I came here to holders and I saw this top holders over here, with this amount of holdings, it got me a little I don't know, because it's like 5%, 7%, 5%, 4%, all the way to, let's say, here. It got me a little intrigued. I was like, well, there's some people holding a lot more than the average. So, but and then I go to Sol Scan, and then on Sol Scan it has all the information here, and if you just come and click it on holders, you can see automatically that the top holders, the top 10 holders are Maxi. That's probably also Exchange, BitGet. I'm sure it's Exchange, Gate.io. Got another Maxi, Radeon, Bybit, and I'm assuming that, so I'm basically assuming that the top 10 holders are exchanges on that. Then if you add it to 20, and then you start seeing from 11, everything below 11, it has less than 1% of holdings, and decreases pretty good at the number 20. That gets 0.5%. So it's very well distributed on that. I like that I saw that all the top ones are all exchanges. All right, so we go there. So now let's get to the chart. And what I saw here is we came at the launch dip and we did this top, and then we went up. We came back and we tested that same top for a period of about a month. And we made a new top here prior, going to run up. We broke that, went up, and we came down and we tested that same top again. And it did build a new floor price with a little top that we end up breaking again, making the new all-time highs. And we came back. We pretty much almost touch it, that top, and now we rejection and we around this area. That's a pretty nice bullish chart. If we put a trend line from here to there, we still got room to come down a little bit, but I don't know if that's going to happen, and it will depend probably on how Bitcoin holds. If Bitcoin dumps about 15, let's say another 15%, good chance that PONKE can come from today's price to around 40%, 44% down, touching this support zone, maybe even coming a little more, 50%. So that's pretty realistic for a meme coin to go down and got that retracement before he does a new all-time high. All right. But here's what you can also do is, let's put some moving averages, and you see as the price break the 21, it goes high, come back, breaks again, goes high, breaks again, it goes high. Now we on that same stage. So we're looking at to potentially play here a little. Moving average could do that. then we can break it high and strong. Breaking this one, which was already the first attempt of breaking, and then go for new all-time highs. That's basically what I'm kind of seeing here now. If you are the ones that like Elliott waves, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now we on the consolidation phase, the retracement phase. So we got I would say this is it could be like a B and C, and now we are already starting the new phase, or it could be A, B, and then we're waiting for C. That could probably get us to a double bottom or even a little lower before we jump into the next one. And if you do, you can also do this to have a little idea. All right, then we'll take this, move it to, let's move it down to make this C over here. So we can actually consolidate on this area for a little bit. Then once we break all-time highs, we got room to go look for new highs. So let's mark that as a potential. Let's go back here. Let me take want to do a projection from this last impulse to the top to the retracement, the current retracement. And here's what we got. We got 100% nearby that area. Then we got 161, 200, 261. Those are short-term predictions. So I would say at the 100% from that move, you got 26 cents, 161.36, 242, 261 50 cents. So short-term projections. So we got the short projections right there, the short term, where prices can actually move. And we got a little more projections all the way to the top. Let's see. Yeah, we got some ones all the way up there that we are going to go over now. But before that, we needed to go to market gap off. So you go to marketgapoff.com, and what you do is, let me clear here. You come to the first section here, you choose PONKE, go to the second one on the other side. We're going to compare the BONK, and then if you click it on BONK now, it's going to give you how many X's you got until you get to the BONK market cap now, and the price is 302. So assuming, let's say you have about $300 in PONKE right now, which is going to get you about 2,300 tokens. Your $300 investment will be worth 6,947 once it gets to the market cap of BONK. And if it gets to the all-time high, price goes to $485, close to $5. And if you get the same $300, you can turn into your $300 into $11,000, which is a 30x from now. And then going back to the chart here, that's what I got. Let me put it on a weekly so we can get this small all the way up there. So if it reaches PONKE market cap of PONKE now, 308. You see how far we all the way down, and that's 19x. So let's do this PONKE now, 18x. Okay, and if you go to the PONKE all-time high, you get to the PONKE all-time high, and let's do PONKE all-time high. Was that what, 30x? 30x. So those are the long-term predictions for the cycle. Of course, it could go way higher than that. Especially PONKE, it's going to go higher. So, and then all of that's going to go higher. But that's what we got for today with PONKE. I hope you guys liked the video. So hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next